How are we doing, YouTube and my fellow traders? It's Bet on a Guy, and this is the day 16 video recap of me going over the trades I took today in my 100K funded accounts. It is March 13th, Thursday. A little bit later in the day for me to put out this video, only because I had a lot of things to do today. And good news, we got our payouts. Yes, we got our payout that we put in for about a week ago, a little bit less than a week. And yeah, hit the bank account today. And it's a good day. I'm feeling good. Got my in and out to celebrate. In and out. Gotta get it, right? So yeah, appreciate you guys following along, watching the videos. I do this every day that I take trades, doing my recap. If you appreciate the videos I put out, hey, feel free to follow the channel, right? Sub to the channel, leave a like, drop some comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys any questions that you have. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna switch over the screens here and show you guys the action and the trades I took today in my accounts. How's it looking? Okay, let me move the screen over a little bit. Cool. Okay. Let's see. Now I want to adjust this. Let's put me over here today. All right. So this is the action that we had today. Now, if you notice, morning session, I didn't actually take any trades today. Action wise, I mean, everybody knows we're in a bear market here. It's kind of hard to look for any type of a long in these market conditions. We have the markets are going down. We had more numbers reports coming out today as far as like inflation and prices for goods. Right, it's all about the same, right? Nothing's changed. And with that being said, too, the markets, nothing's changed. If you look at it, we had a steady downtrend pretty much since open, right? Even when we opened up this morning, quick gap down. We had a little bit of a recovery there, but overall, after an hour of the market being open, it was just a steady downtrend. I will say, just for day trading purposes, we are seeing good momentum, right? Even though it's not to the upside, you can still make money to the downside. And when we have that momentum, we have that follow through, right? We don't have too many wicks. We have a little bit of choppier consolidation, but overall, we've been having really good momentum. So as long as you're on the right side of the trade and the action, hopefully you guys are making some green, right? And we made some green today. Even though we didn't trade today, it was from yesterday, the overnight session. This is what we're ending with in both of accounts here. If you look at the top of my balance, right, I started with 100K. Look at where we're at, almost 20,000, right? And it's day 16. So building up this account, right? Very appreciative of the opportunities as far as trades go that we've gotten so far in the markets. I've been able to capitalize. 16 days green, just very appreciative about that. And just seeing the market overall, just knowing the market conditions. We're not in a bull market. We're in a bear market. We're in levels, right? We're on 5,500, right? We haven't been here. Let me look at the daily chart. We haven't been in this area in a really long time, right? We have to go back. Let's see. Where are we at? Again, September, right? October, September of last year. So we don't really have anything else to go off of besides, what we've seen 7 months ago, and it's not much, right? There's really no support. I don't really know how the market's going to go, right? The next month or so, we'll see what happens in the second quarter, but you can see just straight down, right? Straight down for the last month. It's crazy, crazy. So looking for longs in this market is not the ideal situation. I mean, it's up to you guys how you like to trade, but overall, just the trend is down, right? We are bearish, and so that's for the most part, that's what I've been trying to look for. Now, as far as my trades go, we had two trades in the afternoon overnight session. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit here. First trade is going to be in this area. Market opened up. I didn't really get into anything until about an hour or so afterwards. Again, my mind, if you look at the prior action the day before, up, down, up, down, up, down. So again, I was kind of thinking that might be the same just going into last night and going into the morning time. We gapped up in the morning in the open, had a little bit of a bull flag, popped up again. So I was like, okay, maybe it's time to go down. So I kind of watched this area here. Lately, once we've been putting in kind of 2 or 3 consecutive candles, either green or red, it's pretty much been following the action, right? So I got short, and mind you, again, because I built these counts up a little bit more, I'm able to kind of give myself some wiggle room. All right. So before it was a very small tight stop, opened it up 5 to 10 points. Now we're looking at we can open up a lot, taking small size, and yeah, that's what I did. I kind of went short, even though we gapped up a little bit there. This area here, I was thinking about going short only because there was a lot of sell orders you can see stacking up here. I got in a little early, that's my bad. We had this kind of rejection candle, which I didn't feel too bad about the trade afterwards. And then we kind of got a slow grind, so I was like, damn, your first read of the markets is usually right. Go with your gut, right? We saw stacking orders here, can bust through that, and we got the decline. So our first trade was around, I don't know, 1,200 bucks, something like that. Feeling good. Now, what I did for my second trade, it was kind of like I don't know, spur of the moment kind of thing. If you look at it, I got in around 9:30. I was actually getting ready to go to bed, and I thought, okay, we saw this action for most of the evening and the nighttime, not the overnight, but most of the evening time and the night, just straight down. We had a what 30 35 point move. So I'm thinking, okay, it's got to bounce around sometimes. But again, mind you, market doesn't care what you think. You just got to go with the flow, go with the action. What I did was I went short, or excuse me, I went long, and put my short stop out in this down here area. So I gave myself a really wide room to run to work with, only because I had profit, and I'm thinking, we got to bounce sometime, right? We've been bouncing again, up, down, that trend. We've been bouncing. Let me put a stop down here, right, down in this area, down at the lows where we haven't been, for a while. And let me put my stop or my take profit up near the highs, right? That's where we had it. So I went to bed. Didn't see any of the action. I woke up around 1 a.m., 1:30, and then started watching it. We had that downtrend when he popped out of it, which was to be expected, right? We had kind of like a double bottom here. Popped up, and I was so tired and didn't really at 2 o'clock in the morning, right? I don't feel like watching the action, so I just took it off there. So that's what brought our balance up to the 2,300 area. So good two trades on that. Green again, green streak, 16 days in a row. I did actually open up a what you call? I did actually open up like a third 50K account, just an eval, because the platform that I'm using, the prop firm, they're actually doing some sells on some the evals. So I actually took a long on this account. If you look at the bottom here, I took bigger size because it is an eval. Took bigger size, got long. We had this kind of a breakout candle, right? Break of trend, just to get like a quick scalp, and that's what I did, right? Got a good move, a couple points there. Looks like what, almost 10 points, 8 or 10 points, my usual. And in that account, we're up to 25.50. So you can't really see that. Let me see if I can bring that up a little bit. There it is. Cool. 25.50. All right. So 25.50. We'll see if we can build that up as well. Then if we get that to the live, we can, have 3 accounts to trade with. So overall, again, green day today. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm just going to kind of take it easy. I'm looking forward to eating these double doubles. I'm looking forward to it in and out. Just to kind of treat myself right to the payout I received. You always got to remember, because it's so stressful, so hard. When you do get that payout, reward yourself, right? Give yourself a little treat because you deserve it, right? You did some good work, you earned profit, and hopefully we can keep building up this consistency and take additional payouts in the future. That is the goal. So, well, if you like the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be it for me. I'm going to eat my hamburgers and call it a day. So, bet on a guy. That's going to be a wrap. Hopefully you guys make some green tomorrow, going into the weekend, have some good energy, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.